日本の皆さん、すいません。各地で連日猛暑だとニュースで伝えられている中、私たちの住むエリアは今日もエアコンなし。快適すぎるカリフォルニアの夏の一日をお届けします。
Cheerios. You can sponsor me.
Whoa. いただきます。今朝の気温見た？
Yeah, 22.2.
Yeah, 22 outside and 24 inside.
And hopefully inside is going to go down too.
Yeah.
Since we opened the windows now. If it's cool outside, we can try to cool down inside. And then we don't need to use AC?
まだうち一回も使ってないよね。
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not one time yet.
Yeah. 日本に住んでた時はさ、夏の間ずっとクーラー使ってたじゃん。で、設定温度がさ、だいたい26度とかにしてたけどさ、ほんとこっちは涼しい。
Yeah. It seems recently like temperatures everywhere in the world are going up, and like this summer Europe is cooking and lots of bad things are happening in Europe, and even here in the United States, like a whole bunch of places were getting crazy. Still are getting some big heat, I think. Even California, parts of it are getting really hot. More in the valley and stuff. But somehow our area is not that hot. You know? Compared to everywhere else.
やっぱさ、湿度がものすごい低いかっつったらそうでもないけど、でもさ、64% とか、外は 78% だけど、週和でしょ？ここが比較的海に近いから、このぐらいの湿度だけど、もうちょっと内陸の方に行くと低いんだよね。
So it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel sticky like Japan. Like you walk outside Japan and you just feel immediately better kind of feeling.
そうね。東京今夜中なんだけど気温が25度。今日31度だったんだ。で、ヒューミディティがこの夜中で 90%。すごいね。
90%.
で、やっぱ今年はそのスーパーエルニーニョのせいなのかわかんないけど、8月、もしかしたら台風が来てるのかもしれないけど、rain.
Yeah, rain.
なんか随分雨が多いよね。ここのエリアは今日は25度。最高気温が25度。
That's
明
not
日
bad.
も26度。Not bad.
It's not bad.
日本の皆さん、すいません。
It's warm.
涼しい。
It's not as bad, and then sometimes we get the ocean breeze. Like right now, there's an ocean breeze. It's not huge, but
でもなんか
in the
エアコンの風が本当に窓からふわーって入ってくる感じ。
yeah.
ちなみに今日のここのエリアの最低気温が 16度。結構、ナイタイムとか、
Yeah.
涼しくなるんだよ
It's
ね。
our temperatures are like a wave.
その one day ね。
Wait, hold on. There's like a hair in my face or something. Yeah, during the day it's 7 to 10 degrees Celsius, changing. You know, 27 during the day, like on a hot day, it's 27. And then at night it goes down to like 19 or 18 or something.
そう
You know, so it's like this, and then this, and then this, and then this. But I feel like Japan is like this.
そう。
It's like this, not like this. It's kind of like a small, like this.
Recently, we heard somebody walking outside, and they're talking about, oh, it's hot today.
Yeah, it's so hot, it's humid. But my first thought was, no, it's not. It's not that hot. It's not that humid. It was warm, but it wasn't like, oh, it's so hot, I'm dying. No, they made it sound like it was like miserable. I mean, probably if I didn't go to Japan and I never had the experience of living in Japan, I wouldn't have something to compare it to. So maybe I would agree with that person. But now, since I had the experience in both places, I would say, no, I don't agree. But, you know, it's okay. I mean, it's all relative. Experiences are relative, I guess, you know? Like, if you don't have something to compare to and that's all you know, then yeah, of course, you're going to compare it to all the other years or whatever in the same location. So I get it. But in my experience, I think this is not that hot, actually.
My drink.
My drink.
Hot.
Sammy and cucumber. Seems to be a few ants on the table here, looking for something to eat. I wasn't ready.
今日レタスがなくてチーズと turkey ham だけ。ごめんね。
It's almost like a 7-Eleven sandwich, except 7-Eleven has one piece of lettuce in it. I can smell it. I don't like pickles and cucumbers.
確かにサンドイッチには全く合わない。
This area, the temperature is pretty stable most of the time. I think that's why a lot of people like this area. That's probably also why it's so expensive. Not horribly hot.
雨が本当に降らないね。
In general, yes. This year might be different. We'll have to wait and see later this year.
冬でしょでも。夏ほとんど降んないじゃん。
Yeah. Summertime, not really. Rain in summer here, pretty rare, I think. We had
本当に雨降んない。
so yesterday in the car we were driving in the morning. There's like 2 drops of rain on the window. Somehow.
雨だったのかなあれ。
I thought it was a bird. They don't have to think about anything. It's just every day is nice. They don't have to deal with bad weather much. But it comes with a price,
Yeah.
unfortunately. And some people don't want to deal with that. Other people say, yes, it's worth it. Depends. What is your value?
確かにね。でもねこれ一回住むとこんなに違うんだって思う。このカリフォルニアの気候の良さが心地いいっていうかさ、離れたくなくなるの分かる気がする。特にだからこの夏なんかやっぱ蒸し暑い日本で育った私としてはでも衝撃的だから逆にニックはこのなんていうの湿度があんまりないこうカラッと涼しい夏をずっと過ごしてきたから、日本にいた時やっぱりねきつかっただろうなと思う。
Yeah. I didn't want to go outside.
ね。
I don't want to go outside. It's miserable. until you get to somewhere with an air conditioner. Maybe the train. that was always nice. You get in there like, or you get into a shop or restaurant or something.
でまた出て帰るときにさ、外暑いじゃん。
Hold on, I have to check for ants. We don't want ants on this bag and bring it into our pantry full of other food. Check everything.
Check man.
Yeah. Some people might like the changing temperature. Makes you feel like, okay, the time is moving and stuff. But here, maybe it's the same every day. So
そうね。
you kind of feel like, what season is this again? What month is this right now?
本当にそう。もう8月だっけみたいな。
Yeah.
ちょっと信じられない。
It'll be September. 9月
9月
soon. You know? And then it'll be Halloween. And then it'll be Thanksgiving. And it'll still look like this. Okay.
日が差してるところは暑い。見てこの木。
Yeah, eucalyptus tree.
こっちはあれだね。やっぱ朝の方が日陰になるから。午後はちょっと暑いな。お家に帰ってきました。外が 27.7 度、家の中は 25.8 度です。
Like it's more humid inside here than outside.
ね、ヒューミッドも下がってるね。
Dog.
Dog?
Scooter guy with a dog on the scooter.
かわいい。They're a good balance.
Yeah.
Nice breeze.
I think it's 21 here.
21 here?
Yeah.
風が冷たい。
Have to see if the surfers are wearing. See if the surfers are wearing full wetsuit or not. My guess is they are. These guys are not. They're out there with naked.
Naked. 裸ね。
But I don't know about the surfers.
ちょっと曇ってるね。
Yeah, a little bit.
あそこはみんなサーファーでしょ？
Yeah. Not seals or sharks.
めっちゃいる。
Yeah, because it's, 5 o'clock. So this is around the time when the waves start to come in usually.
なんか日差しはまだ暑いけど。家から持ってきた。これが一応外で測る。外に置いとく。
Wow. Put it here.
サンセットが7時47分。
Almost 8 o'clock.
そうなの。ちなみにサンライズが6時17分。意外と遅いんだよね。東京だと
4 a.m. or something.
東京だと4時59分。
That's too early. That always surprised me in Japan. The first summer,
ああ、言ってたね。
I thought, why is it so bright at 4 in the morning?
で、サンセットが6時33分。だから結構違うね。
Yeah.
っちはね、8時近くまで明るいんだよね。7時とかも全然明るい。
But it's because we have that daylight saving thing here
ああ、それもあるか。
during summertime. Oh, geez, OG san.
ぶつかりそうだった。
OG san almost run over the person. So they must be 60 something at least, right?
そうかもね。すごいね。
That's 2 OG sans out there, at least, maybe more. Temperature update.
じゃん。27度。27.2 度。リスってさ、ビーチにも来んのね。うわー、逃げちゃった。
Okay, right side. Run, run, run.
自転車の人も多いね。
Yeah. Man, that guy is wears like a flannel shirt.
He's wearing a shirt.
Maybe just leave work. Just go in the water right immediately.
It's wasting time to change my clothes.
Yeah.
みたいな。
Sure. Look, that one for sale.
Oh. Sale.
I bet it's super expensive.
いい気分転換になった。
Hold your no. Just hold.
Thank you. 乾杯。
Oh, the clouds are coming in really fast now. It was sunny like 5 minutes ago, and now it's getting cloudy and it's gonna start getting cold.
ビーチのクラウズがこっちに来たってこと？
Yeah, definitely. Beach clouds.
今日はクリームパスタ。
Looks good. It's even got green stuff in it.
ね、そう、
Green
ズッキーニしかなかったから、ズッキーニとベーコンとマッシュルームです。ちょっと今日はベジが少なかったな。
美味しそうです。
いただきます。家に帰ってきて、見えるかな？外が 25.9 で、家の中が 26.7
For now, but we were gone for a while. So we closed all the windows. But we open all the windows now. Get some fresh air until bedtime.
そうね。今ちょっと上
Fans.
ファンをつけましたけど、
This sauce is so good.
白ワインうま。
I could probably eat 2 plates like this.
You really like cream sauce だからね。
I like thick cream sauce.
家が一番涼しくない？
Today? Maybe close. I mean, the park was pretty good too.
まあパークも涼しかったけど。
Inside the house, there's no direct sun, so maybe it can stay kind of cool a little bit.
うち1階だし、このリビングがタイルなんだよね。
Yeah.
だから本当になんか全然違うのね、タイルって。
Yeah.
びっくりする。 めっちゃ。
1, 2, 3. Oops. It'll probably cool down in a little bit because it's getting gray outside. And I can see the trees moving, so there's still breeze outside.
ごちそう
ごちそうさ
さまで
までし
した。
た。美味しかったよ。
美味しかった。お腹いっぱい。
Mushroom stuck on my finger. Time to wash the dishes. That's my job.
Let's go.
Holy moly. Doing the dishes.
でもここからさ、すごいクールブリーズが来るでしょ。
Yep,
涼しいでしょ。
I get an air conditioner while I do the dishes.
キッチンの窓だけ開けてます。